to Chayo's Garage. Welcome to Seattle 2019 Snowmageddon. Let's get it started. Woo! What you doing here, Chayo?
Try to figure out the wire and harness shit. Look at that.
Is it Clifford alarm? Oh wow.
Yeah. A lot of shit there, guys. But it won't be a big deal. It won't be a big deal. Just a bunch of wires. Which you see all these wire and harness here?
Yeah.
Have to come out. Have to come out. Have to come out. Literally all this.
Jeez.
You see all that?
Yeah.
We don't need all that.
No, I didn't have any of that on mine, I don't think.
Yeah, and like you gotta splice because this is gonna stain. And these going out. These is stained. All these going out. So that's a lot.
Yeah.
We got headlights. Let's find out. We got headlights. We got speed sensor. Hold this way. Headlight, speed sensor. This is cruise control. So, this is for the fan. So I'm gonna do a push fan and make my harness, which is gonna be close by the radiator, but no one can see it, and we can.
Wiring harness is out! It's out! Yeah!
I'm gonna run it through the fender, that way this thing can be just like hide behind the fender, because I'm planning to do a shave A and a wire tax. So literally the only thing I'm gonna stand it's this. Ground and power. So we done. We start from wire harness.
And this is all the wire that came out
harness
of the G60. Insane amount of wire.
And we got ABS module. We got the K-frame out with power steering, and we got the Crossmember. And we usually gonna use this. These where we use in back. We don't use these. We're gonna use either 96 from 94 to 97 Passat. You can use a Crossmember or even a Corrado. You can use that when you do a swap. Why? Because you can use the VR6 solid motor mount. That's what you usually use, because this is G60. It's not very strong. People want to use the VR. And also, we're gonna do a K-frame.
Are you gonna use this steering rack, or are you gonna?
We're gonna use. I'm gonna do manual steering rack, which I don't use that rack. The only thing I'm gonna reuse is the arm controls. That's the only thing I'm gonna use, the arm controls. And a VR6 K-frame. You can either use a 2-liter or VR6 MK3 or Corrado.
Okay guys, the wiring harness is out. I know it's a pretty short video, but we were supposed to have a couple days of working on the Corrado, but with the amount of snow that we got hit with, Chayo and myself had friends and family that we ended up helping out. Here's a couple shots of Chayo cleaning up the engine. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time.